Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most insightful tools in Power BI for sales analysis, the Sales Waterfall Chart using price, volume, and mix effects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a chart that doesn't just show total sales, but actually breaks down why your sales have changed, whether it's through selling more units, charging higher prices, or shifting your product mix. If you want to impress your team or get clarity from management, this technique is a must-learn, so let's jump straight in. Fire up Power BI and pull up your sample sales data. Don't worry if you haven't used waterfall charts before. I'll guide you step by step. In our example, we'll be working with data from 2024 to 2025, so there's a nice time range to spot trends. First, let's think about what goes on the axes of our waterfall chart. On the x-axis, we'll display the dates. This way, you can track how sales shift month by month, quarter by quarter, or whatever time frame you want. On the y-axis, we'll display not just overall sales, but also break out the price, volume, and mix for each product. This is key because just looking at total sales hides the story. Showing each component makes the drivers of change much more transparent. Now let's talk calculations, and I'll explain each effect before we build them. The first is the volume effect. This answers the question: how much did sales change simply because you sold more or fewer units with price held constant? Imagine your company sells bottled water. If you sold 10,000 units last year and 12,000 units this year, the volume effect isolates the impact of that extra 2,000 units, assuming the price per bottle stayed the same. In Power BI, you'd set up a measure that calculates the difference in sales volume multiplied by the baseline price. Take your time here. If your dataset is big, this calculation might take a few moments. Next, the price effect. This measure calculates how much sales change due to price increases or decreases, assuming the number of units sold doesn't change. Back to our bottled water. If you kept unit sales steady but you raised prices by 10 cents per bottle, this effect isolates the total impact of that price shift. As you create this measure in Power BI, fix the sales quantity and let the price vary between periods. It's a powerful insight for managers. It shows directly whether a pricing strategy delivered real results. And now for the mix effect, often the trickiest but also the most revealing. The mix effect shows how your product mix impacts sales, capturing the shift between product categories. Think of it like selling more high-margin products and fewer low-margin ones. Even if total units and prices don't shift much, changing the mix can dramatically alter profit. In Power BI, you calculate this by comparing the sales resulting from the composition of products sold, highlighting changes in category proportions. Don't worry if it's a little abstract at first. Just remember, this part helps management understand if the sales team is pushing the most profitable items. Once these measures are set, Power BI's waterfall chart will display each effect along the time axis, and you can really see what's driving growth or decline. Is it sheer volume, getting better prices, or shifting to the right mix? This clarity is priceless for planning and decision-making. Let the chart tell the full story, not just the headline numbers. So that's how you use price plus volume plus mix measures to create a powerful sales waterfall in Power BI. If you found this tutorial useful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about the setup or how to tweak your measures, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Power BI tips and business analytics tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.